In a unique educational facility away from the humdrums of city life, future community leaders gathered in a day-long leadership summit on September 8, 2018. They are the Paglaum scholars of the Cebu provincial government. They were billeted at the Kool Adventure Camp, a facility owned by the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated in Barangay Kansumoroy, Balamban, Cebu, 40 kilometers northwest of Cebu City. The Cebu provincial government, through the Provincial Women's Commission, created the Paglaum Scholarship Program intended for the children of indigent parents, drug surrenderers, and victims of abuse. The Leadership Summit aimed to bring out the best of these scholars as they're guided to the right direction to become upright citizens and the country's future decision makers.
We want to train them as leaders, not just ordinarily, but leaders who will give back to the community ug unsay ilang nakuha sa gobyerno. So we thought of this.
Yes, that's why this leadership training is one of those monitoring activities, aside from the fact that they need to see us monthly kay magkuha man sad sila allowances. So if I'm not mistaken, kung dili man kay monthly, every 3 months. Initially, this Paglaum Scholar started when I was still board member during my last few months. So as what was stated by the first speaker, the first graduate sa Paglaum Scholar nato katong istorya kaganina, si Miss Gatdula, she was from Asturias. So it was part of my district.
The Cebu provincial government, in partnership with the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated, had chosen the Kool Adventure Camp as the ideal venue for the Leadership Summit, where the scholars can embrace life-changing experiences.
We really wanted to ensure lang align kayo ang direction sa Kool Adventure Camp Youth Development Programs with the program as well as Paglaum Scholars. So what we did is that we had a discussion with Ma'am Heda, the one heading the program, and really asked unsa man jud ang ilahang objectives for the program. And then from there, we decided on crafting the leadership training towards their goal. At the same time, making sure sad na ma-align jud siya what we also would want to impart to the youth in general.
Okay, what will basically happen is they'll be doing experiential activities. So because Kool Adventure Camp is really more of adventure education. So we teach leadership values through adventure activities, which is really fit for our young people. No, they'll be doing games, initiatives. No high elements for today, but they will be led. They are broken down into smaller teams, and each team will have an instructor.
Amelita Gatdula, a former Paglaum scholar and KEC camper, joined the summit and shared her success story.
First and foremost, na nakasulod ko sa Cebu provincial government, especially sa kanang hard ko ni Vice Governor Agnes Magpali, then gi-detail ko niya sa Office of the Provincial Agriculturist since I'm a agriculture graduate. Okay. So daghan a lot of kanang opportunities ako ang nakuha na dawat, then kanang exposure pod sa mga ato ang mga farmers like ang mga clients.
The training, however, does not end at the Kool Adventure Camp. Regular close monitoring on the scholars' progress and follow-through exercises will be conducted. With cameraman Roniel Madrid, Dan Luzon, MyTV Cebu.